So I'm not in my usual office right now, but today I want to go over 2 limited time offers that you might find value in if you're into credit card miles and points. My name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and let's get started. The first offer I want to talk about is the huge welcome offer that's just been recently updated on the Inc. Business Preferred. Typically, the Inc. Business Preferred has an 80,000 point bonus. That has been increased to a 100,000 point bonus recently, and now it just hit an all-time high of 120,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points after you hit the minimum spend requirement of $8,000 in 3 months. And so the minimum spend requirement is pretty big, which is typical for business credit cards, but the bonus is huge, 120,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. The annual fee is just $95. You'll earn 3 times points on travel, and all the points you earn from the welcome offer or your spend are transferable directly to airline and hotel programs, and so you don't need another Chase card to combine those points into or anything like that. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred, the points transfers out directly. But I have to remind you, it is a business card, so you do need a business in order to qualify for the card. But your business doesn't need to have some big corporation, or doesn't need an LLC or anything like that. It could just be you as a sole proprietor that walks a dog, sells things online, or even babysitting counts as a business to apply for a business credit card. I also have another video on what it takes to apply for a business card, which I'll link somewhere up here and then also down in the description as well. And if you watch this channel enough, a lot of my redemptions revolves around Chase Ultimate Reward points, especially for all my Hyatt stays. I transfer exclusively all my Chase points over to the world of Hyatt to make those Hyatt redemptions as well. But there's still a ton of other opportunities to use Chase Ultimate Reward points for maximum value. And I have another video about high value redemptions when it comes to Chase points, which I'll link up here somewhere on one of these sides and also down in the description as well. And you can find redemptions for as low as 34,000 points one way in business class from the US over to Europe. I'll drop my link for the Inc. Business Preferred down in the description, and using that link helps support my work. So that's the first offer I want to go over with you. The second offer is also a limited time offer, and it's one of those offers that I like a lot because it's a good way to earn some extra American Express points. Rakuten allows you to earn American Express points instead of cash back, and Rakuten is a shopping portal. So if you go through a shopping portal, you earn some extra cash back, or in the case of Rakuten, you can earn some extra American Express points. And the reason why I'm talking about Rakuten is Rakuten brought back its old referral program where you can earn $30 or 3,000 American Express points after spending $30. But you do have to use a referral link, and I'll drop my referral link down in the description. This is a great deal because $30 is equivalent to 3,000 American Express points, and you can take advantage of some of the great offers on Rakuten. For example, one of my favorites is always Blue Apron, the meal kit service, where you can currently earn $30 in cash back when you sign up for Blue Apron. And the cheapest box that you can get from Blue Apron is $33. And so if you spend $33, you can get $30 cash back, which is equivalent to 3,000 American Express points. And then if you used a referral link on top of that, you also get another $30 in cash back or another 3,000 American Express points. And so all in total, what you could do is spend $33, you get a bunch of meals, and you get a total of $60 in cash back or 6,000 American Express points. And so technically it's a moneymaker and you're coming out ahead. So that's just one example of how you can use the Rakuten referral offer and stack it with some of the offers on Rakuten to earn some extra American Express points or cash back and sometimes come out ahead. Again, my referral link will be down in the description, so go check that out if you're interested in signing up for Rakuten. So those are the 2 offers I want to cover in this quick video. Thanks for watching this far. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.